take a complaint? Chief, will you take a complaint on one of your officers? Because he expressed his First Amendment right in a public forum, public meeting.
Hold on, that.
Oh, shit. All right.
You have anything else on you, sir?
No, hold on, I'm going to turn this off.
Okay.
All right, guys, I'm going to end the live stream. They're arresting me. This is LaPorte, Texas, as usual. It's not disorderly conduct.
Oh, I'll make another comment. The corporal was cleaning out his back seat, preparing to arrest you before he even
I know.
arrested you. I got it on video. He was clearing
No,
his
no,
back
that's
seat
going to
out.
stay with me. That's
Just gonna stay with you? Okay. All right, I'll make sure you get it back.
You got your wallet, David?
Put your hands behind your back.
So is he
Hold
going
on,
to the
hold
city jail?
on. Make sure I don't have my back.
Corporal, is he going to the city jail?
Yes.
Is it a Class D?
Yes, it is.
Will you put your hands behind your back like you're praying for me, sir?
Hello, sir. How are you? Good to have real media here.
So
Thank
who's the
you for being
arresting?
here.
Who's the arresting officer? Is it the chief? Who's the arresting officer?
It's protected free speech.
Who's the complainant?
76, one in custody.
Who's the complainant?
Yes, sir. Will you come with me, Mr. Ward?
Don't break my watch this forward. Don't break my phone. Get John, take my Mustang home. Okay.
All right.
76 is going to be Mr. Warden. Will you spread your legs for me, boss, whenever you get ready? I know, it's just policy, okay?
Retaliation.
I'm going to sue. I let you guys off last time. I'm not letting you off this time.
This is unbelievable.
I don't have.
I understand.
Oh, okay. I'd like to have that.
I did my
Do you have a
hands
seat?
before. I can't. On my hands.
Okay, hold on. I can do it.
No, you're good.
Yeah, I just want to make sure he's okay.
76, readvise. Will you look that way so I can cut you?
Oh, can I get my mask?
1 second.
Yeah. He's got. Did I give him my mask?
Oh, here.
Have you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I don't need this gear. Actually.
76, stand by.
I don't want you to.
Earl David Warden, he's in the system. Warden, Timmy, William Motion, Robert, David, Edward, Nora.
All right. Go ahead, transport,
Yes, sir.
and we'll get the prosecution agreement.
Okay.
Okay.
Who's the arresting officer?